In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ping someone in a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you're new to Microsoft Teams or just need a quick refresher, you've come to the right place. Understanding how to get someone's attention during a virtual meeting efficiently can make a world of difference in your communication. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Teams account. You won't be able to ping anyone if you're not logged into the platform where the meeting is taking place. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the meeting you are scheduled to attend or join. This can usually be accessed through your Calendar tab on Microsoft Teams. Find the meeting link, click on it, and enter the meeting. Once you're in the meeting, you'll notice a set of options along the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your device. These options are your main control panel for interacting during the meeting. One key feature here is the chat functionality, which we'll use to ping someone. To utilize the chat, click on the chat icon. When you do this, the chat pane will open on the right side of your screen. This is where you can send messages to everyone in the meeting or to specific participants. To ping someone, begin typing the symbol, followed by the person's name you wish to get the attention of. This is a handy shortcut for directly addressing someone. As you type, Microsoft Teams will suggest names that match your input, so if you're not sure of the spelling, don't worry. When you see the correct name pop up, click on it to select it. This ensures a successful mention, or ping, and the individual will be notified accordingly. Once you've tagged the person you need, finish typing your message to them. This could be a question, a comment, or any information you'd like to highlight. After composing your message, hit the send button, which is represented by a paper airplane icon, or simply press the enter key on your keyboard. The person you mentioned will receive a notification indicating that they've been mentioned in the chat. This is the essence of pinging someone in a meeting, helping draw their attention to a particular conversation or message. One pro tip: make sure to use ping sparingly and strategically. Overusing this feature can lead to unnecessary interruptions and may diminish its effectiveness. Utilize it when you genuinely need someone's immediate attention. And there you have it. Pinging someone in a Microsoft Teams meeting is as simple as that. This feature is a great way to ensure effective communication and can be extremely useful in larger meetings where direct verbal cues might get lost. Thanks for watching.